welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new. Today's cleaning video is actually a collaboration with my friend Emily from the Jackson Hive. She is a mama of two with a little baby boy on the way. She does vlogs on her channel, but she is so entertaining, so much fun to watch, and her life is just really lovely to follow. So I highly recommend her. She's gonna be cleaning too. I cannot wait to check out her video. So I will have all of her links down below in the description box. I have a list of things that I need to get done today, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with these. In fact, leave me a comment in the comment section on how you begin. I usually like to start with the thing I am dreading the most very first, so I can get it completely out of the way. For me, that is the floors. I hate mopping, and I need to do the kitchen and the bathrooms today. Ugh, I'm totally dreading it. But let me know in a comment how you begin or where you start in your cleaning routine. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully this is motivating, and let's get to work. I love the method Squirt plus Mop. It's just really convenient. I actually am thinking about asking for a steam mop for my birthday. That just seems so nice, and I'm wondering if that will help me like mopping better. I don't know. I'm trying to think of everything. How can I get to like mopping better? I don't know. If you have any ideas for me, leave them down below. And that is what my house actually sounds like. Like I said, I had left the dishes the night before. This pregnancy is really starting to get to me here in my third trimester. I'm just finding myself getting lazier and lazier the more tired I feel. So I went ahead and loaded those up. The living room wasn't too bad. I did want to go ahead and vacuum my couches. I actually received this little vacuum in a PR package. I will have the link for you guys down below, but this one is really nice. The suction on it is super strong. You can vacuum your mattresses. It helps get rid of like little mites, dust mites and stuff, and it's just got the longest cord I've ever seen, so you can stretch it really far. Anyway, it's really handy. This is definitely something I don't do all the time, but this is like my second time using it, and I really enjoy it. I did pop up a few 4th of July decorations already, and I just wanted to show you quickly. They mostly came from the Target dollar spot. That is one of my favorite places to shop, especially for seasonal decor. Do you guys follow Do It on a Dime? Catherine is amazing. I love every video she puts out. She made this little concoction on her channel and I wanted to try it. It is 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and then 2 cups of boiling water. And what you do with this is you actually clean your shower door with it if it's glass. I was so skeptical about this one because I feel like I've tried everything and things seem to work a little bit, but nothing has worked as well as this. My only regret is that I didn't put it in a squirt bottle because it was dripping all over my feet and they ended up smelling like apple cider vinegar. A tool that I've been using in the bathroom recently that I grabbed on Amazon that has been saving my back, and honestly, even if I wasn't pregnant, I would still love this, and I plan on using it way after my pregnancy, but it's to clean the corners in your bathroom. I specifically like to use it behind my toilet. It is so gross back there. It is really hard to get in there. I'm going to use a disinfectant spray. This one's by 7th Generation. So you go ahead and just squirt whatever cleaner you're going to be using, and then look at how easy that is. This one comes with little changeable pads that you can just pop off. So I will have a link to where I bought that. Okay guys, that is gonna wrap it up for today. I have had all I can take. I did not get to my dusting, but I did get to the dishes, which wasn't on my list, and I was able to tidy up a little bit in the living room. So I'm gonna count this as a success. I'm gonna go ahead and get some water, put my feet up. Also, don't forget to check out Emily's video. Again, the links will all be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'd love it if you click subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!